Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to mention someone on Instagram story, and now let's dive right in. Now to mention someone on Instagram story, first open up your Instagram app, and from over here guys we will be required to make a story in order to mention someone. So to do that, I'll be just tapping on the your story button at the top left corner of the screen. From over here you can either upload that video, whichever you want to do, or just shoot it from the camera. And after shooting a story, I'll be just posting a story of a picture and nothing more. And now in order to mention someone from over here, you can do it from two ways. Either you can tap on the sticker button at the top of the screen. Here is the stickers button over here, and over here you'll be able to see the mention sticker for us. And over here you will be able to mention somebody whom you want to mention. Over here you'll be required to type their name, like in username of anybody whom you want to mention, and a list of options will appear guys. You can see, for example, I'll be typing my name and my friend's name over here, and you can see other recommendations has come over here. Now another way you can mention someone on your story is by tapping on the text icon at the top of the screen, just beside the stickers icon. Let's tap on it, and again you can see the mention option available for us at the left side of the screen. Tap on that mention option, and again you will be able to mention someone from over here. So in order to do that, enter the name of your friend. For example, I'll be writing this name, and you can see a list of friends has popped out, and I'll be mentioning this one. So let's tap on done, and by these ways guys you'll be able to mention someone on your Instagram story. And guys, this is how to mention someone on your Instagram story. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.